It's a beautiful day today, guys. Let's go explore Got Phi Phi. The water looks magical, guys. I'm stranded in the middle of the ocean. Baby shark and sort of like a snake and dory. I don't know how many times I say beautiful today. Alright guys, our first stop of Got Phi Phi is here, Lagoon. It is beautiful, the water looks magical, but it's pretty touristy as you can see a lot of long-tail boats and speedboat around. But I think it's a perfect spot for photo taking, guys, so let's do it. So today we are exploring Phi Phi Island, guys. We are using South Marine Tour. It's a long-tail boat tour service. I paid 9,000 baht. It's a lot more expensive than the service that we used yesterday because it's a lot further from Ao Nang Beach, all right? Again, I paid this much because I want all the time to myself filming and show you the best of Phi Phi Island. And it's a beautiful day today, so I don't want to go back to Bangkok, honestly. This is the famous Maya Bay, guys. It's a must visit if you come to Phi Phi Island. As you can see, it's very touristy because I think you already know it's because of Leonardo DiCaprio did a film here called The Beach. Beautiful as its reputation, but you cannot swim. You can just take photo and walk around, but it's beautiful, guys. It really is. So Maya Bay actually has an entrance fee, guys. It's considered as a national park. So for local, we pay 40 baht each, but for foreigners, I believe it's 80 baht. They don't have food for sale, but they have some snacks, which I bought. This corn, I pay 100 baht, which is extremely overpriced for a corn, guys, but I have no choice. I'm so hungry. And behind me is Maya Bay. Very touristy, guys, but it's worth coming. So Maya Bay, guys, actually costs 400 baht for a foreigner, which for me is extremely expensive, but it's a lifetime experience. If you come here once, you don't have to come here again. So yeah, it's like visiting Grand Palace or Wat Arun in Bangkok. You just need to go for once, yeah. Alright, moving on to the next one, we're doing some snorkeling, guys. Plenty of baby shark, right, Patrick?
Yeah.
Baby shark and sort of like a snake and dory. Dory, no Nemo, but many kind of marine life, guys. So fun. Okay, should we look for more baby sharks? Let's go. But I like the baby shark, the like the sea snake or whatever it's called. Now Must do. Next we're going to Phi Phi Don, guys. So let's go. So guys, this is Phi Phi Don. It's like a beach area. We're not gonna go down because we're not very hungry. There's some restaurant and bar and like a hotel here. We're gonna stop here because we wanna snorkel more. So we're gonna do some snorkeling around this area, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna do my last scuba diving of the day. Like out of nowhere here. I'm stranded in the middle of the ocean. Kidding, I'm not alone. I have Patrick serving marine life with me. Okay, and we have what is it called? Surfboard. We pay extra, 300 baht extra, along with our private long-tail boat. Alright, it's been amazing so far in the sun. I used to hate getting tan a lot, but once I get older, I don't really care. I'm gonna stop talking and explore the marine life. Let's go. Is Bamboo Island, guys, but I was wondering where are the bamboo tree, and I asked the guy. He said it's up in the mountain, which is alright, but it's beautiful, clear, white sand and beautiful crystal clear water, guys. Very nice beach for relaxing, sunbathing or some snorkeling. But I just did some surfboard paddling, which is very nice. I don't know how many times I say the word beautiful today. Too many, really. Phi Phi Island is a must-visit island. I had a great day today. I hope you enjoy it too. If you do, please support me by hitting like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!